Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss hydrogen and its compounds. Hydrogen and its compounds. First, we wanna go to introduction about hydrogen. Introduction. Mostly hydrogen abundant element in the universe. So third most abundant on the surface of the globe is being visualized as the major feature of the energy, major feature of source of energy, source of energy, which we call as hydrogen. So hydrogen is the simplest atomic structure. That means simple atomic structure, and among all the elements, hydrogen is the common element among the all elements in the nature. So in atomic form consists only one proton and electron. What we say, hydrogen consists of only proton and electron. So however element can exist on its diatomic molecule. Hydrogen we are called as diatomic molecule. Why we call as diatomic molecules? That means hydrogens have two moles. That's why calling as diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules also called as dihydrogen. Next, do you know that global concerns related to energy can overcome to great extent by the use of hydrogen only? So in industrial purpose, hydrogen is very important. What we say in industrial purpose, hydrogen is very important. Note this point. And next, go to position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Let me see what is the position. So hydrogen, it is the first element. Hydrogen, it is the first element in the periodic table. So placement of periodic table has been subject to decision in the past. So hydrogen electron configuration is 1s1. That's why the arrangement of electrons or arrangement of atoms, so in the first place, that's why called as hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table, and electron configuration is 1s1 and general electron configuration is ns1. So on other hand, and halogens with ns2 and p5 configuration belong to the 17 group periodic table. Likewise, they are arranging all the atoms. So and another one is, so first remember these points too. First one is, which is lose one electron, hydrogen which is lose one electron to form unipositive ion, what we call as unipositive ion, and which is gain of electron, we calling as uni-negative ion. Remember these points too, they're very important. And next, hydrogen does not exist. H plus, this is the H plus, hydrogen positive proton does not exist. It doesn't exist freely, and it always associated with always associated with other atoms or molecules. Okay, that is the unique behavior of hydrogen. That is the unique behavior of hydrogen. Unique in behavior. This is the position of hydrogen. Okay, first we see introduction and position of hydrogen. Next, dihydrogen. Dihydrogen already we know about, we will discuss in recently. And next, H2. So it is a 70% of the total mass of the universe, totally made up with hydrogen, right? So all the giant planets, Jupiter and Saturn, consist mostly hydrogen. So its light nature much less abundant in the earth crust is 0.15% earth crust. And of course it consists in ocean mostly hydrogen. The earth crust is 15.4% is there hydrogen. This is the dihydrogen. Next, isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen. What are the isotopes of hydrogen? Means in the isotopes, first, what is isotopes? Isotopes means, iso means same, topes means which is related to atom. Means iso means we call it atomic number and mass number. That means atom and mass in H2. So first mass number is 1, atomic number is 2, atomic number is 1, mass number is 1. Atomic number is 1, mass number is 2, atomic number is 1, mass number is 3. So this is the isotope, hydrogen isotope. So first, this is called as deuterium, and this is deuterium, this is tritium. So proterium, deuterium, tritium, the hydrogen isotopes. So proterium has no neutrons. Deuterium has it heavy hydrogen. Deuterium is the D2. D2 is the heavy hydrogen, and tritium has 2 neutrons. Like example, deuterium is T3, for example. So in the year 1934, American scientist Harold C. Urey got Nobel Prize separating hydrogen isotope mass number 2 by physical methods. So next we will see here hydrogen preparation in the laboratory method and commercial production of dihydrogen and properties of hydrogen and chemical properties. First we'll see preparation. Okay, preparation hydrogen preparation. First, in the laboratory, preparation of dihydrogen. Laboratory preparation of dihydrogen. So in first method, so it is usually prepared by the reaction of granulated zinc with the dilute acids. Dilute acids means H plus. So when zinc is the granulated, usually prepared by the reaction of granulated zinc with the dilute acids. Granulated zinc is a zinc metal react with granulated acids H plus to give H2 Hn 2 plus H2 gas. This is a granulate. This is the main granulated zinc with the dilute acids, zinc plus 2H and hydrogen gas. So zinc when react with sodium hydroxide to give Na2ZnO2 H2. This is called as sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. This is a preparation and commercial production. Mostly hydrogen is very important source of energy for the human. So commercial production of dihydrogen. So first we have electrolysis process. First, electrolysis process, already separating of ions and molecules. So in that, for example, I will tell a story. For example, in the Shakti movie, one girl can do the experiment for the electrolytic process to separate out molecules H2 to fuel when heated. So when full heated are separating ions, so she find out H2 means hydrogen gas and the high energy and high power. So he created H2 fuel, and without fuels he can drive the auto also with help of electrolysis process. This is a hydrogen fuel. So first is the electrolysis process. Electrolysis means that to separate out the molecules means I will take first water and give electrolysis process and traces acids with traces acid and bases to give H2 plus and O2 gas, both are gas. So balance that, so 2 moles take it. This is a liquid to liquid means this is a water liquid. So when do electrolysis process means to separate out the molecules, so to compounds to separate out, it gives H2 and O2, 2 molecules comes out. This is the electrolytic process. The high purity 99.90% hydrogen is obtained from electrolysis warm. 99.95% electrolysis process, it is obtained from the H2 gas and the warm aqueous barium hydroxide. So and it is obtained by byproduct in the manufacture of sodium hydroxide chlorine by the electrolysis process brine solution. So means the sodium hydroxide react with chlorine, what it give, so sodium chloride plus HCl. This is salt, means which we use salt, table salt. This is the process of electrolysis to separate out the molecules whatever they give. So and this at anode in the electrolysis process, so chlorine, we have this as a chlorine with this is halogen group. So in aqueous solution, so to separate out Cl, the negative charge we have 2 electrons, so Cl2 balance it and it gives 2 electrons, so 2 moles. This is at anode. And at cathode, so we have chlorine plus at cathode water, so it give H2 and OH minus. So 2 in the place of 2 electron, it give H2 plus 2HO minus at cathode. And overall reaction is 2 moles of sodium metal and chlorine react with 2 water, so produce so many things I do, and girl, you never